every year, lakhs of Indian students form a dozen of government exams like UPSC, SSC, NEET, etc. with the same details like DOB, name, 10th marks, 12th mark sheet, Aadhaar, etc. So these around 25 fields over and over same again. So I asked the question myself, if all these details are already present in my documents, so why should I write these details by hand every single time? So I built EasyForm. EasyForm is a single solution where you just have to send an email with all the required documents attached, and within 2 minutes you will get an HTML reply, all the details extracted, and in case if anything miss, so it will reply you and ask the missing details, and at the end it will give you extracted all the editable details to you, and you can just submit the form by hitting the submit button. So today in this video, I will walk through the same overall build which I have built for that is EasyForm. So here is the architecture diagram of the project. So the candidate has two options here, web portal and the email. In the web portal, it is just required to just drag and drop all the details and the documents like 10th mark sheet, 12th, Aadhaar, photo, signature, etc. And the AI will extract all these details and give you editable extracted fields so that you can just verify once, and it will just also give you an option to download all the extracted detail if you want, and you can just submit the button so that the form will be submitted. And in the other is the email option, which I'm very excited about and I'm more interested in, because you have to just send an email, that's it. All the work will do then by the AI, will extract the detail, follow up in case of anything miss, and just the form is submitted. So in the middle is a EasyForm agent. So this is a single Python FastAPI service running in a Docker container in Kubernetes. So there are 4 main things happening here. Like the first is a background mail poller. So it is continuously polling the Gmail IMAP server in every 2 minutes so that it can fetch the unseen email having the subject should contain the EasyForm word, and all the unread email from the pending users also. And the second one is this HTTP API for the web portal, and the other one is a mail sender to just mail replies back, and the other one is the LangGraph pipeline which does the actual AI work. And the agent also talks to the GPT-4o for the main 2 things. It's like first is vision for read the document, and the text is to pass all the natural language portion from the email's body, and all the details then go to the PostgreSQL database, where there are main 3 tables. The first one is a candidate. So candidate table is a table which contains the complete profile of the student, and like user ID, phone number, and the education record which is present in the JSON format. Because it's a nested one and we can curate later, that's why we have used that. And the other table is a pending request. So pending request contains all the information for like the pending user. Actually it acts as a state machine's memory, so that it can track what documents yet require for that particular student. And the document audit, it is for extraction log. So it's here's a log every time when AI attempt extraction, so that it can be used for the analysis or the debugging also. On the top of it is a Metabase instance. It is for the admin, so that it can analyze the data and can query the data for analytics purpose. So all these are wrapped in the Kubernetes with the nginx Ingress, cert-manager for HTTPS, GitHub action for CI/CD, and Argo CD for GitOps. And this portion, which is the heart of the our AI agent, is this LangGraph state machine. So there are 4 nodes, 4 main nodes. Each one does one thing. Like first is a classifier node, second is the extraction one, third one is a validation, fourth one is for the merging purpose, and last one is for detect missing. So the first node is like, and in all these nodes the status flows between them via pedantic agent state model. For the classification node, it will classify the uploaded documents, like whether it's a Aadhaar card or whether it's a 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet, signature, etc. So it returns a JSON response with the document type. The second node is for the extract per doc. So there's a prompt for every extracted doc, like a different one for the Aadhaar and a different one for the mark sheet. So like for the mark sheet, there's special instruction in the prompt, like if the percentage is not present in the mark sheet, then the agent will have to calculate it using the marks mentioned in the mark sheet. The third one is a cross validate. Cross validate, it is where the fraud detects. So it do fuzzy matching of DOB and the name of the candidate across all the documents, and in case if the wrong document uploaded or any other document, so it will just raise the issue and will follow up the same with the candidate. And the last one is a merge. So in this node, all the details extracted for a particular candidate is merged for a single record. So here's all the details are merged. And the last one is a detect missing. So here the agent will scan all the details of the candidate and find out whether any detail is missing or not. And in case of missing, so rather than just return a flat list of missing item, it also categorizes the missing item like in 3 parts. The first one is a document, if in case whole document is missing. The second one is extraction gap. This is a case where the document is present but any specific detail is unable to fetch from the document. And the third is a field where there's any personal detail, like whether the marital status, whether they're single or married, or the current mobile number is missing for the particular candidate. So yeah, this is the whole architecture. So if I talk about the email flow, so for the email, 2 is sync process in the background running in the same FastAPI service. So first one is the email in the background email poller, which is continuously or in 2 minutes polling the Gmail IMAP server for a new email. So for a new email, so it will fetch like as I told earlier, that the subject should contain the EasyForm, or it also detect like whether there's any reply mail unread email from the pending user. Pending user is like the user where all the information is not fetched yet. So it's like the pending user. And after receiving the mail, so there are some process helping process do, like first it will check whether the email is for the confirmation. So it will then go in the confirmation flow. It's like whether the user confirm all the details are correct. So it will update the database accordingly. And if there is no any body, no any document attached, or no any text in the email, so we will just send the welcome email and the list of the required document to send to fill the application form. And in case if the both case doesn't match, then we will just run our LangGraph pipeline. And the other task is the mail sender, which will mail sender is like which will send every email with the in reply to the header, so that all the conversation for a particular candidate will be threaded under one conversation. And it will send like plain or HTML. For modern one is a HTML, and the older one is the plain, is a multi-part alternative. And in case of missing, yeah, of course it will categorize the missing value, whether it's a document missing or whether there is any specific field missing, so that we can inform the user like why we need this detail and from where we need this detail. And the last is the task is a scheduler, which run every 30 minutes. So in every 30 minutes, the agent will scan all the pending requests from the database, and also check the retry has passed or not. Then it will attempt 1 or 2, and if in case all the attempt is exhausted, then we will discard the information for that particular user. It's like here 3 attempt elapsed, then we will discard the information on the gap of 6 hours passed. So this is the email process, the architecture, yeah, and there is a code. I have already uploaded all the docs in the all the code and docs in the GitHub repository, so you can check out. And there's a code, is a class for the classification, extraction. Okay, doc prep. Yeah, one more thing. This OpenAI's Vision API doesn't accept PDF. So we have implemented a pre-processing layer in which if the user attach the PDF, so first we will convert that PDF into PNG image and stack them vertically into a single image before doing base64 encoding into the LLM, so that the model can extract and do the process. Okay, so the extraction layer, format response, LLM merge, missing, validate, a scheduler which run on every 30 minutes, store, PostgreSQL, we have used this. And there are many columns like for candidate, user ID, father name, mother name. There's a JSON-B which is a nested 1, 10th, 12th, graduation. And in the pending request, there's this validation error, missing field as we are. So this table acts as a state machine memories so that the agent can track which detail are still missing for which user. And there's a document audit. It is mainly for the debugging, and also can be used as a analysis if we want to know the confidence score and all. Okay, and everything are in the Kubernetes. And for the Docker file, I have used this Python 3.11 Slim, 3.11 Slim, and we have copy the agent, copy web. And one more thing, I have just forget to copy email template, and it was throwing the error missing email template. And so yeah, don't forget to include this one, because otherwise Ninja will not be able to find out and it will throw the error silently with 500. So yeah. Now I will show you a demo. So this is the repo where all the code is uploaded. And if I click on this is the web portal. So here you can upload your 10th mark sheet, 12th graduation, all these. So if I upload the 10th mark sheet, okay, for now I am skipping this all, and email address, if I select this and if I hit the process document, okay, it will take a few seconds. Yeah, so the step 1 is upload document, where we have uploaded just 10th mark sheet. Step 2 is the additional detail. It's like marital status, nationality, or the disability status, or the active mobile number, or the address in case you are relocated. And one more thing, here you are just filling this information, but in the email, if you just attach the documents, and for these detail, if you write in a way like I am a single, my mobile number is this, it will also work, because in the backend we have used 2-tier parser. The parser first use the regex so that it can fetch the detail if they are present in marital status, comma, single, but generally normal user don't write in this way. So we have also used the AI extraction so that it will pass out all the natural language from the email. And yeah, where the regex when cool, otherwise the LLM fails test. So yeah, back on the point, this is a step 3rd, review and confirm. So it already have fetched all the details from my 10th mark sheet and fill all these informations. And in case if the information is not present, it shows not detected fill, and it is showing still needed 12th mark sheet, graduation, signature, all this. And after uploading, you can re-upload all the documents, and then you can confirm, and you can download all these details in case if you want. Okay, as all these documents and information are present in the storing in the PostgreSQL, and you can also analyze using the Metabase. So I have already created some pie chart and all these for the analysis. And for the email one, I want to show you a demo. Okay, if I send an email, and in subject you can write anything, but remember it should contain EasyForm word, and it is case insensitive also. And if you write just hi and send, okay, let's see. Okay, let's see here which email has arrived or not. Okay, it will take a few seconds. Okay, now it is visible in the inbox. Let's see what we get. So according to the expectation, we should receive a welcome mail and the list of the documents we require to fill the form. Okay, we got a reply. Yes, welcome to EasyForm. Here's everything we need to fill your application form. So here are the documents attached we want, and in the email body these are required. So in this way you can fill your form by just sending the doc. If again I reply and attach like 10th mark sheet and just say nothing. Let's see. Okay, wait, what we'll get in this case. Okay, we got reply. Hi Shweta. So document is still needed and these are the details we don't have. Please reply within 6 hours. Few details are missing for your application. So now the 10th mark sheet has been removed from the document we still needed. So in this way you can communicate through the email and just send the required documents, and that's it. And after extraction of all the documents, so the agent will confirm once before, like finalizing your details and storing into the database. So when you confirm, then it will finally save all the details in the database. So here it is. You can check out this by sending the mail to the shweta@gmail.com, and you can fork it and build your own specialized version, like medical application or admission, college admission or visa form, etc. So let's check out and